This video is about the wholesale plastic and boxes here in the carbon market. We're here right now in the carbon market, Plaridel Street, wholesaler of cups, plastic, ice chests, balikbayan boxes that comes in different sizes. Like that, cartoons they call it, but it's actually boxes. If you look at it, that's only 45 pesos. Then big box is 55 pesos. So if you're like sending a lot of boxes, and if you want for your business, you can see that this is where you're gonna get your wholesale prices for boxes, and also wholesale prices for styrofoams, styro trays, styro boxes for your businesses. So Brussels tray 192 for 12, division styro 260 for 25. So a lot of these prices are offered to you wholesale. Like 5cc bowl 60 pesos, and that's 25 pieces. Smaller bowls at 50, 25 pieces. So like 12-ounce cup 70 for pila ka buksod ani bidam 50 pieces cups. And then the 8-ounce 47 for 50 pieces cups. So there's the ice chest 129 for this big sizes with rope. But for boxes, storage boxes, you got the square ones here, half desk styro 127, then the bigger one at 250. So this is the best place to get your styro needs, styrofoam, styro boxes, balikbayan boxes, like you're looking at here. They sell retail and wholesale, and it's usually from this is like 45 pesos. It's a lot cheap than the one you can buy in the mall, but of course this is located in Carbon Market. So these are some of the products that they do, mostly boxes and styro boxes. Cups for coffee cups, plates cheaper, corrugated boxes for your gift items. Yes, for your kanang mga fresh seafoods. Pila na 120? Yeah, 120 is cheap. Pila ang balikbayan box dong? 60 pesos for this balikbayan box. Then you got the cardboard boxes here. What's this? 11 by 4, 8 pesos. 12 by 16. So different sort of boxes. And then this one paraw. Unsa kaning bula-bula ba? Unsa ni?
Sa dagat yung ibutang sa
Pila ka ni?
mura sa kimailhan ano ba?
So this is quite amazing because some of my look, cake decoration styro 30 pesos, 25 pesos, 27, depends on the sizes. The cheapest is 22 pesos for small square or round ones. Microwavable food containers. paper cups. Look, cake starts from 22 pesos. There's 110, 120, 210. So all your styrofoam needs, paper cups, microwavable cups, balikbayan boxes, you can buy it here. All wholesale price. Di even saga packaging tapes, no? Linlay yun yung color yung packaging tape ga. Tag 40 pesos. Green, red, and blue, 40 pesos each. And the translucent and the brown color packaging boxes, tapes. What's yung yan sa inyong tindahan diriga? Boxes and boards. So this is located in Plaridel Street. It's called Boxes and Boards. I'll show you what's the frontage of the shop so you can come here and buy your wholesale boxes and boards. So Sen is already got his balikbayan box, 60 pesos. So this is the shop frontage of Boxes and Boards. Styrofoam boxes, styrofoam boards, float box, PA insulation, corrugated. Walay contact number. Let's get a contact number. Look, they even got insulation. Nagpila ni kaniga ba? Ang meter? 5.5 ang meter? Oh, 55 pesos per meter. That's 60 with. Kaniga, pila ni? 30 pesos per meter. So this is the packaging one. 30 pesos per meter. So here in Boxes and Board, wala mo ikuan ga kanang contact number? So this is Boxes and Board is actually owned by Ong King Kin. That one across Ong King Kin Baking Depot. So this is their Boxes and Board branch. This is Plaridel Street here in Carbon. So it's quite busy, but you can see, you can't miss to see this Boxes and Board, and then the Ong King Kin Baking Depot across. That's covered by the cargo truck. What was ni contact number ang Ong King Kin? Ong King Kin Co. Incorporated. That's where you can find the prices for this one. This is the Ong King Kin. It's quite big. They even got a proper shop there that you can buy your baking needs. We'll go inside?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yes.